In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Tradingview Premium, Pro, or Basic for free using official methods. We'll walk through 3 simple options so you can choose the one that fits your needs, whether you want the full premium experience for a limited time, ongoing Pro access through a partner, or the always free basic plan. First, the direct free trial for premium. Open your browser and go to tradingview.com. On the home page, look for a banner or button offering a free trial, typically for the premium plan, often around 30 days. Click the option that says Try Free for 30 days, or a similar prompt. From there, sign up using your email or a single sign-on provider like a major search or social account, whatever you're comfortable with. You'll be asked for card details to activate the trial. This is standard for most trials, and you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial period ends. A quick tip: note the renewal date and set a reminder so you can evaluate the plan in time. During the trial, explore advanced features thoroughly: multiple charts per layout, extended alerts, and higher data limits, so you'll know exactly what you'd be paying for if you decide to continue. Next, partner brokers and platforms. Some partners provide access to Tradingview features at no extra cost when you use their services. For example, Black Bull Markets offers Tradingview Pro access free with no time limit when you open a Tradingview Pro account through them. This is a great option if you plan to trade with that broker and want pro-level tools without an ongoing platform fee. Another partner is Dan. If you have a Dan account, you can access live Tradingview Charts for free directly on their platform. Keep in mind that partner access is delivered through the partner's ecosystem, so exact features and availability may vary. Always check the partner's current offer details to confirm what's included. Finally, the basic free account. On the Tradingview homepage, click Sign Up, provide your email, and you'll receive the fully featured basic plan right away at no cost. Basic is an excellent starting point if you're new to the platform. You get powerful charts, essential indicators, and watch lists, with some limitations compared to paid tiers. It's a perfect way to learn the interface and build your workflow before deciding whether you need more advanced features. To recap, use the direct premium trial for full access risk-free, partner with a supported broker for ongoing pro benefits, or start free forever with the basic account. Choose the path that matches your goals, and remember to cancel your trial on time if you don't plan to continue.